Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam Disk Write error when downloading or updating a game. First, restart your computer. Temporary file locks or background processes can sometimes stop Steam from writing files correctly. After the restart, open Steam again and try the download. If the error still appears, close Steam completely. Make sure it is not running in the system tray near the clock. Then right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam full permission to create and modify game files on your drive. Next, clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings, Downloads and select Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and ask you to sign in again. This removes corrupted temporary download files that may be causing the problem. After that, repair your Steam library folder. Open Steam Settings and go to Storage. Find the drive where your games are installed, click the three dots next to it and choose Repair Folder. Steam will scan the library and fix any folder permission or file issues automatically. Once the repair is complete, restart Steam and try downloading the game again. Thanks for watching.